Hi guys, it's Jean Puig here, your trusted PRC accredited real estate salesperson. And today, may super sulit na property na naman ako para sa inyo. At ito ay Bank Foreclosed Diana Inner Lot dito mismo sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Ang ganitong property, bihira na talaga. No bidding basta walang kasabay. Ibig sabihin kung wala kang kalaban, pwede mo na agad makuha. Located in a prime township community, Lancaster, New City, complete amenities, malapit sa schools, church, wet and dry market, and even Robinsons Supermarket and SM City General Trias. Lahat andito na. Now, let's talk about the details. Lot area 50 square meter, floor area 60 square meter. May 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. Perfect for starting families or investors looking for high-value property in Cavite. Selling price, 1,860,000 only. 20% down payment, tapos 80% pang home loan na lang ang balance. Note lang po, bank fees and transfer of title are not yet included. At syempre, as is where is po ang property. Kaya mas maganda kung magpa-assist kayo for house viewing. We offer free house tour assistance para makita ninyo personally kung gaano kaganda ang potential ng property na to. So kung naghahanap ka ng affordable house and lot sa Lancaster, don't miss this opportunity. Ang mga ganitong bank foreclosed units mabilis mawala, lalo na kung walang kasabay sa pag-offer. Message us now para hindi kayo maunahan. Again, this is Jean Puig and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!